Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about some of the string finder method as a search, index of, and then last index of, right? I hope it's very much clear to you. Now in this video, I want to discuss about another some of the string method as a toString, as a concat, and then split. So step by step everything I want to show you with the live example. Like first of all, I want to take one of the variable. Okay, I take one of the variable as a temp. So into this temp area, I want to pass one of the numeric value. Okay, that is our number type, right? That is a 1, 2, 3. So now I want to change this type. I want to change this type from to the number to the string. So if you want to do that work, you can do that work with using the toString. Like I show you, that is a console and then the console log, and into this console log area, here there is a temp, right? So this temp and temp value, I want to make it as a toString. So that is a toString. Okay, toString method. So I want to call this toString method. So now that this temp will be changed. This temp that is a number type, now that should be as a one of the string type. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see now that is display as 1, 2, 3. And this type, if you want to check it, which type of things is that, you can check it with the what you can. I hope you already remember that will be as a type of, right? Better I want to make it as a make it as a type of. So now with this type of, I want to check it which type of string value is that. Now click as a save all. Before that was number, now I want to change it. Now that should be displayed as a string. You can see it's now a string. Not only that number, if you want to pass any boolean in here like as a false, okay, pass as a false. So this false value also will be as a string. Now if you click as a save all, now if you refresh it, now you can see it's also as a string. And also if you want to pass that array data, you can also pass it. Okay, I show you like as a pass as array data as a 1 and then comma 2 comma 3 comma and then 4. Okay, like that is our all that array data. So now this array data, when you use that as a temp, so with this temp that is our toString method, automatically this array data will be as a string. If you now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, you can see it's still now as a string. If you want to check it, that is array data, cause array, what exactly its display. I hope you already remember. Into this array, first of all, there have some of the index value and then their value, right? So right now this array, the array data, I make it as a string. So if you want to check it, when you actually display that output, then everything will be more clear. Like I show you, I load that log. There is a console log, and then here that will be as a temp, right? So that is our temp variable area here that I want to make it as a toString. I want to make it as a toString value. Now you can, when you output it, then everything will be more clear because that will be output with the string value. If you click as save all, and now if you refresh, now you can see it's just as a string value. They have no array functionality, they have no indexing, everything is a string value, simple string value. I hope friend you get some of the ideas. With this toString you can change any data type, right? Now there is the another method as a concat method. Better I want to show you the live example. Here I take one of the variable as a m1. Okay, I take as a m1, and for the m1 I make it as a high. Okay, I make it as a high. Great. And also I take another one as a m2. Okay, I make it as a m2, and here I name another value as a high my name. Okay, my name. And then I take another one as a let. I make it as a here better, the let, and then I take another variable as a m3. Okay, I take another variable as m3, and here I want to pass the name as a my name is Aryan. Okay, my name is Aryan. So now I want to simply take some of the variable, and into this variable area I pass some of the value. I hope you already know about it. And now I want to do all that our string value, right? Hi, my name is and is Aryan, right? So now I want to add all that our string value in one line. Okay friend, if you want to do that work, I show you, like then you have to do, I take another variable as a m, and then I want to do with our first of all our first data as a high, I take it with our this variable as a m1, right? Now first of all that will be as a m1, and m1 then concatenation, so that will be as a concat. Okay, concat. And now with this concat I want to pass our second variable name as a m2. Okay, and then I want to pass our another one as a m3. Okay, I simply pass it. So now if you want to print it, that means in our console and the log, I want to now print our this m, and that means this m I take it in our this variable area. Now if you print it, now everything will be more clear. Click as a save all. Now go there, click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now displayed as a hi, my name is Aryan. Okay, but I want to put some of the space here and also put some of the space. Now click as a save all. Now refresh. Yeah, you can see there's a hi, my name is Aryan. Right now there are the different type of variable and different type of value. So now I combined all that value with this concat. Okay, with this concat method, I simply pass our first one. I take that first one, and with this first one I want to add our second one and then the third one, right? So that is our another variable m2 and then m3. We match it, that means we add all that our variable data with this concat. Okay, that is one of the method. I hope friend it's very much clear to you, and I take the things with this variable and then simply I display it, and for the reasons you can see it's not display in our same one line. Okay. And also if you want to make it little bit easy, then you can also do that work with another way I show you. Then only you have to add that plus m1 plus and then m2 plus m3. Our result will be just like that same before. If you now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, you can see our result is the same. So you can use that with the concat method, and then you can use that as a plus. Okay. Now I want to discuss about our another method as a split method. Okay, I want to discuss about another split method. So if you want to use that split method, it's very easy. I remove it. Split method is what? Like they have the hi, and then they have some of the space, and there is a my, and then the space name space is space hi, right? So if you want to split that space, then you can actually do that work with using that split method. Okay, like I show you. I want to run, I want to display there is a console, and then the console log. Into the console log area, that is our message, right? Into this message area, I want to declare our method name as a split. So that is our split method. I simply declare it. So into this split method area here, you have to pass that key. That means which one part, that means which things you want to split from our this total value. I want to split that space, right? So into this key area, I want to make it as a space. You can see I have already add one of the space in here. So that is one of the space that will be split. Okay, and also it will be displayed with the array mode. I show you. Click as a save all. Now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now perfectly get all that our space is now totally gone. So now there is a hi, my name is Aryan. Okay. I hope it's very much clear to you. If you want to split some of the specific things, you can split it with our split method. I hope friend it's very much clear to you what is how you can working with the toString method, the concat method, and also the split method. In our next video, I want to discuss about another some of the string method. I hope you like it very much. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.